Hi guys, Mantas here, and today I'm gonna show you one simple trick I just recently discovered how to find Instagram influencers which are able to collaborate with you, whether you wanna promote to get a shout out by Instagram story, or you wanna advertise in other ways like sponsored blog posts or any other type. So if you go on a desktop on your Instagram and log in, of course you're gonna see your Instagram feed, and you can do search in here, yeah? Let's say I'm gonna look for something in marketing niche, marketing. So you can see just accounts one by one or just a hashtag, and it doesn't help. You have to go through all of these accounts, and you know there may be situation they don't want to collaborate and they are not looking for any opportunities at all. So what I find out about this search, so I can show you right now, it's using just simple Google operator, which is what we're looking for. We're looking search results in Instagram website, which is site colon instagram.com. Then what we're looking for, we're making a gap space here, and we're looking for particularly accounts which shows emails, and it may be identifier. They want to collaborate, they want to be contacted in such a way. So we're doing quotes, and it may be different services like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook. So just search and go through the results. So in this case I'm gonna use Google Gmail. At Gmail, we're making a space again, and now we would like to identify our niche. It may be just simple like keyword. It may be like travel, photography, marketing, business. Business is actually just like generic term in any niche actually. So to get the most results, you should look for a phrase business or business inquiries. So I'm gonna write business, and to make the search more narrow and more specific, you can even look for location. So in this case, I could look for USA, Canada, United Kingdom, or any other country. Because basically what's happening, search engine crawls and index Instagram profiles as a pages. And then what's written in the profile, if the account user writes down he is in USA and he is looking for business inquiries, that means he wants to collaborate. So you can go on this profile, contact him via email or send him a message and ask if he would like to collaborate and how much does it cost. You can get the shout out, you can get sponsored Instagram story, or even go further and advertise on a website, on their personal website if they've got one. So this is the code we got: site colon instagram.com at gmail.com, yeah, .com space keyword. In this case it's business, and we identifying our country, and this is the results, guys. Let's say this account, and let's see, business inquiries only. You see, there is an email address, so you can contact that person and ask for any collaboration. Let's try another one. The second result is any. any business inquiries, again, you see? So this is a good way to search for collaborators. If you want to get shoutouts, you know, even you can swap your post shoutouts between accounts. So it's a good way to find sponsored, you know, posts or shoutouts or any other type of collaboration. Of course, guys, this is not for evil. Don't scrape this information. Don't scrape these emails and just add them to your email list. This is no. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section. And I will talk to you soon. Cheers.